Afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Transform My Trading. I just want to have a quick update, a very short video on NQ today. The market was on the choppy side today, but we did manage to have good trades, and especially on the 1 minute chart. The one here, it is the 5 minute, and as you guys could see, it has been pretty choppy most of the day, uh, but there was a good buy right there. Market was vibrating around this angle at the high, so there was a good sell around here, or even when it hit below daily low right there. I mean daily open, and there were several good sells right here. And market right now is again playing around the day session open and transfer my trading support and resistance level and angle. So that's right there. It has been playing in this box for the last hour or so. So let's see which direction it wants to break. But I think 12:30 Pacific time, or I think that's 3:30 Eastern time. So that should decide, or at least give some kind of a boost, uh, which direction the market wants to go. Looks like based on here, an aggressive trade would be to go short for the market to come back to this area. But again, we have to let the market do its thing and tell us uh, what the market wants to do. So uh, let's go to this is the 1 minute chart, and I just want to show you guys some of the trades off of the 1 minute charts that we take. Without going into detail as how we take these trades or what has to happen, let me bring this one too. So the first trade, the market was mostly on the choppy side in the morning. There were some good trades here, but they weren't as uh, good as this one, for example. This was a great, especially right here. This was a great buy. So market on NQ went up from 220 all the way to 260, about 45 points. Okay, so that was one of the trades if you wanted to wait. There was another one right here, but it wasn't very, it was a more like a continuation. It wasn't a reversal. This one was a good trade right here when the market climbed back up and did touch the day session open. This blue dotted line, by the way, that's the day session open. Okay, there was one there, and there was another one right there on the short side. So we got 1, 2, 3 good trades right now based on the levels. The day session open was almost touching the my level right here. So that's an indication that's a strong support or resistance level. In this case, it was a resistance level. All right. So then if we move forward, you really didn't have to trade much after those 3 trades. But if you wanted to continue or you came back in the afternoon, the next trade was right there. That was an awesome trade to go in. And there was another short right there when the market touched the day session open and transform my trading resistant support and resistance level. And this was a good one too, right here. When the market did a double bottom right there, even though it passed the angles, I mean the level, but if you wanted to jump in there, that was a good one. But again, you really didn't have to do all the trades. So then, as the market going forward, and look at how choppy has it been all afternoon. Yes, there were some trades. There was one here. There was another one right there. And now, again, like I said, the market is trying to find direction. And at this stage, I'm done with my trading. I'm not trading anymore. I've made my quota for the day. And I'm just watching the market just to see uh, what force is going to be closing the market at the end. And so, again, look at this level here, the day session open, and transfer my trading level right there. Both of them are acting as support and resistance. the last hour or so, it's been as a support one, two, three, four times. And so we'll see. Now we are oversold on RSI right here. So an aggressive trade, if you still want to trade, will be to buy here with a stop below here and just see what happens. That would be an aggressive trade. If you've done all those trading in the morning, I'm just putting this on there for education purposes. Possible going forward. Uh, and just I want to keep it short as well. But unfortunately, sometimes I do say I want to keep it short, but they tend to be longer than what I really wanted. So I'm not trading. I'm just watching the market. I don't really need to trade, even though there was a scalping long here, but I really don't need to. Call of the day. I just wanted to show you guys the today's trade locations based on the angles and the levels, and I think they were much easier to see on the 1 minute. Now those are the support levels. We went over them earlier, so that was another good one there that we showed. So just look into it, and if you're interested, just get in touch. I'll be more than happy to have a discussion. Thank you.